Ciao everybody, I'm back in the Giardino here, the garden. As you can see, my Cardones are beautiful now. I'm going to cut them today. We're going to clean them up and we'll get them ready for the Bella Festa that we're going to make, the beautiful feast. And I planted these and they came out beautiful, beautiful. So in a minute we're going to show you how we cut them, and then we take the leaves off, and then we put them in the box, and I bring them inside and we clean them up. Okay, so aspetta fra un momento che faccio tagliare. Ok, abbiamo un coltello buono, no? Ok, so, si prende così. Now, have you ever seen a Cardone like this? Look at how beautiful. Mwah, Cardone. I love them. I love them. Okay, now we cut the top off. So one by one we take the top off, because you can't eat the leaf. The leaf is poisonous. You'll die if you eat the leaf. So I put it in my mulch pile here. Then I grind it up and we use it in the garden afterwards. Look, see how beautiful. We're doing that. This is still the same one here. Look at that. Look at how, still the same plant. All right. Okay. Look at all I got for one plant. Beautiful. So in a minute we're going to cut more, and then we're going to go inside and I'm going to show you how we wash them. And actually you can see my fava bean. They're growing big. Look at them over there. See how nice the fava beans are? Another 2 months we have fava beans. Okay.